Lambot na. Okay na to. Ito naman ang aking steak. I-drain ko muna to. Saka ko na lang i-mash. Mainit na ang aking pan. Pahiran ko na lang ng kaunting oil. Tapos, ilagay itong steak. Isa lang pala ang kasya. How about you, babe? You okay there? Okay. I'll just finish my business here, okay? Tanong kasi siya kung okay lang ako dito. Is this okay for you? That?
That's pretty good. A little bit more, darling.
A little bit more?
Yeah,
All right.
that's rare.
So you want it medium rare. Okay. Ito na. Luto na. Ganitong mashed potato ang gusto ni babe na. And ito ang aming steak for tonight. Steak with mashed potato. Yum, yum. Food.
Great.
Okay.
Yes.
Use that. Oh. Oh na.
Okay,
That's it.
Do I get the gravy?
There's no gravy. Namit. Okay.
Lovely.
You like it? Kanana pa? Lovely ko no hambal niya.
Okay.
Ari kita subong sa England.
Gani. Hindi naman to.
Last time we ate steak last year, right?
What happened here?